Hi, this is Jed, operating partner with Otterly Baths. We're going to cover some of the most common questions we run into. People asking, how do I receive my referral bonus? And when do I receive my referral bonus? So let's dig into it. So you referred a friend to Otterly Baths. That's amazing. We appreciate that, and we appreciate you. Now, you might be wondering, okay, so when do I actually get my $300? That's a great question. I want to walk you through exactly how that works so there are zero surprises. Step 1. Make the referral. When you send someone our way, the most important thing is making sure we know it came from you. When your friend calls us or fills out a contact form, they need to mention your full name, first and last name. If they just say, my neighbor John referred me, we have a lot of Johns in our system, and we may not be able to connect the dots. Even better, have them give us your phone number and email address too. That one small detail, make sure your referral gets tagged to you correctly from day one. Have them mention your name and your phone number or email when they contact us. Step 2. The project gets underway. Once your friend reaches out, our team takes it from there. We'll come out, give them a quote, and if they decide to move forward, we get to work on their bathroom. This part of the process can take some time depending on their project size and our schedule. So just know, things are moving even if it feels quiet on your end. Step 3. Project completed and paid. Here's the key milestone. Your referral bonus is released once your friend's project is fully completed and their final payment has been collected. We do it this way because we want to make sure everybody is happy. Your friend has their beautiful new bathroom, they're squared up with us, and then we take care of you. Step 4. Monthly payout. Once a month, our team compiles all completed referrals and processes them together. So if your friend's job is wrapped up in March, you can expect your $300 referral to be processed by the beginning of April. We batch them monthly to make sure nothing slips through the cracks and every referral gets handled properly. So if you sent us a referral and you haven't received your payment yet, don't worry. As long as your name was mentioned when your friend called in, their project is either still in progress or recently completed. Your referral is in the queue and it's coming. If you ever have questions about where things stand, just give us a call and we'll look it up for you. We want to make sure you get every dollar you've earned. Thank you for trusting us with the people you care about. That means everything to us.